Y- Yeah. Hi guys. Good evening, everyone. In the last class, we are trying to understand what is HTTP protocol, what is the HTTP method, when to go for which method, what are the HTTP status codes available, and what is the request and what is the response. Right. Fine. Next, we started our discussion related to JSON. What is a JSON? JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. JSON is used to represent data in key value format. JSON is a universal format to exchange the data over the internet. JSON data will be looking like this. Key and value will be available. Keys are string and values are direct values. Right. Now here in the Java, we don't have a direct class or method to convert the Java object to JSON or JSON data to Java object. So if you want to convert Java object to JSON or JSON to Java object, there are third-party APIs available. One is called Jackson API, another one is called JSON API. So now, if you want to work with okay, go to the project, file, new. I'm going to create normal Maven project. I'm going for normal Maven project. I'm not using any Spring Boot. I want to create normal Java project and I want to convert Java object to JSON and JSON to Java object. Click on next and create a simple Maven project. Group ID in dot Ashok IT, artifact ID 22, Jackson application. I want to create one Jackson application. Now click on finish. All right. Jackson project is created. Go to pom.xml. Nothing is available. I need to add a dependency. Now go here and go for dependencies section. Inside that, we need to add a dependency. I want to go for a dependency called Jackson API. It is not from Sun Microsystem, guys. That is a third-party API. We need to add the dependency. Go to mvnrepository.com and type Jackson. Now here we are going to get Jackson data bind. Jackson data bind dependency available. Take this data bind dependency. Now keep in our pom.xml. Okay, guys, fine. Dependency. So Jackson dependency I have added. Fine, good. Now let me create one simple Java class, new class. I'm taking a class with a name called customer in dot Ashok IT dot binding. Just one normal Java class I'm taking with a name called customer. Fine. In this class, let me take some variables: private integer ID, private string name, private string ID name, email, private long phone number. Okay, I'm taking some data. Fine. Let me generate setters and getters for this. We can use Lombok also, setters, getters, and toString method. So I have taken one normal Java class. In that Java class, I'm having some variables. For those variables, I'm writing setter methods and getter methods, and I'm overriding toString method. Perfect. Now let me take one Java class. Now class here, I'm taking a class Java to JSON converter. I'm writing one class with a name called Java to JSON converter. So take a main method. Now, what is the class available to do the conversion? Object mapper. In the Jackson API, we are having object mapper class. Object mapper class provided the methods to convert Java to JSON and vice versa. Okay, so let me go here. Take one class customer object first. Customer C is equal to new customer. I want to set the data for the customer C dot set ID, some one, C dot set name, some Robert, C dot set email. I'm representing data, that's it, in the form of Java object. Email, right? C dot set phone number, some value. This is a long value. Perfect. So with this, my object is ready with the data. Now, whatever the data that is available in my Java object. So this is my Java object. I can say that. So this is my customer Java object. This Java object, I want to convert into JSON file. Whatever the data that is available in the object, I want to convert this Java object into JSON document, JSON data. To JSON file. Perfect. So in order to do that conversion,